Alright guys, good day. We are so blessed today. Kai, this is gonna be the first time that we would be featuring an aesthetic na center di lang sa Cassandra. And we are with Doc Tony, Doc,
Hi.
and Doc Kim. So, this very day, we will be talking about stuff that you need, maybe, cause maybe, when you were young, kag ako man, sa bata, ikaw, gusto mo, you have to fix something when you go in and see the mirror, or may may gusto ka nga, i-fix gamay, maybe, sa imo nga pagtulog sa tao sa imo, but it's not impossible now, because it's possible with these doctors, and we will talk about it here at Cassandra Aesthetics. So, Doc, Tony, with you first, what are the services that you have here at Cassandra?
So here at Cassandra, we have surgical and non-surgical treatments na gina-offer. So for surgical treatments, we offer Botox, skin boosters,
threads, fillers, and mesolipo,
yes.
warts removal, mole removal, and ano pa?
May mga machines man kita. RF, HIFU, lasers. And so for the surgical procedures, we have an on-call na cosmetic surgeon from Manila. So we call them in, and then we offer rhinoplasty, blepharoplasty, baka fat removal, dimpleplasty, and a lot more.
Wow. Kag sa tanan to nga mga plastic, gid ko sa mga idea sina no. Pero balaan ko gid kamo dira. The reason why you will be watching this or you will watch this, it's because nag-agi ni sa feed ninyo and the algorithm of Facebook or YouTube or TikTok or anything naghambal nga may-ari na diri sa may Iloilo. And speaking about, let's make a little bit of a simulation, Dr. Nino. If they want, example, try ko be. So anong steps ini first? You have consultation anay, then you would give them some steps kung ano brahon nila or ano i-prepare nila and this and that. So how could they start? And basta sige, gusto ko na magpatandog sa inyo.
Yes,
So
yes.
anong steps, anong brahon nila?
Okay, so first of all, no, so as doctors, ang first na dara is history and physical examination. Dira ginaga-start na ng tanan. So we assess our patients properly, gid. So in-assess naman kung anong mga procedures or treatments nga nagakaangay gid sa ila. We don't offer things just for business. So we offer them what would make them look better. Gid.
Wow.
So
Kami na lang assess for them kung anong bagay. So,
Yes.
kung ano ilang gusto nga peg, kung hindi kaya, ginahambal man namon kung anong bagay. Kay may aral, lang yun siya yung proportion sa
Yes.
tao, kag ilang nga kung ano lang yun ang pwede sa ila.
Yes.
Kung anong kaya sila skin,
Yes.
kay iba-iba man kita tanan
Ooh.
sang anatomy. So, hindi pwede nga sundon kung anong
Wow.
kaya sila peg, dapat masunod, hindi siya pwede.
Wow.
So, kung ano lang yun ang sa assessment, amo lang na. So, dapat ma-explain din mayo sa ila.
So, grabe no, as you were discussing that, so na-learn ko gali subong, even though nga may gusto sila nga, gusto nila nga peg or anything, at the end of the day, unique man gyapon in accordance sa kung ano ila nga anatomical nga
Structure.
grabe, doon naging
Yes.
doctor na pa. Talking about being a doctor, this is for the next generation naman, Doc Tony and Doc Kim. They wanted to be like this. Maybe they've dreamt of being a doctor nga gaobra sa aesthetics. What is your advice for the next generation?
So for the next generation of doctors, siguro no, kung gusto din nila mag-aesthetics, it's not all about earning. It's not all about making people happy, no. So it's all about the calling, man. So it's important that you choose what you love.
Wow.
Yun. Because if work becomes play, then that's do lainggit siya bala. Do wala ka na, you're not tired when you go home. And it's important nga ginpili gid namon because we want to make people more confident in themselves, no? And we want them to embrace that Filipino beauty, not the kind na gina-change naton ang new ang aton nga self gid.
Yes. Doc Kim?
And always be humble in learning and always put patients first. Talaga. So hindi pwede na na pera-pera lang. So always put patients first kung
Wow.
na less ang risk, so less complications. So amo na siya.
Wow. So there you have it. Siguro very, very last, maybe one unique story of somebody nga base nagkadto diri and then nagpaobra sila sa inyo and then ang result nga nagnami gid nalipay gid siya or anything? Any story lang madumdumanin niyo, Doc. You could not mention names, just any scenario lang.
So, may kami guro isa ka recent nga patient, no?
Those 60 na sa
What?
60 years old.
Yes.
Wow.
Dugay na siya gusto mag-rhino. Damo na siya may na-consult sa Manila.
Wow. Manila, ah?
Manila. Pero ang ending, diri siya nagpa-obra. Kaya gusto niya gidya daw maano. So, 2 weeks, one month na.
Oo, almost a month
post-op
na.
siya.
Oo. So we called in a friend, no? A cosmetic surgeon friend. And then, so nag-help mo kami assist. And then, though life-changing ko na after. And he was very happy to see our results. And then, everyone around him noticed the results nga. Hala, may nagbago si mo. And then, eventually, mas na-boost yung confidence at the age of 60 plus, no? So, very very humbling man sa amon and very fulfilling gid bala nga naka-help kami sa isa ka tawo nga mas naging confident sila sa ila self.
Wow, so there you have it. Hindi lang gali, no, sa mga medyo bata-bata biskan if you are aging kag syempre bansin nyo ba nag-dream ka mo kag subong nyo lang na acquire nga ay pwede ko guro cobra ni. You could still do it. For the last time, could you invite mga docs ang aton nga mga viewers to come in here at Cassandra?
Okay. Go. So, everyone, we're inviting all of you to come and visit Cassandra Aesthetics. No? So, we offer surgical and non-surgical treatments to help you reach your full potential. And let's embrace that Filipino beauty and let's make you more confident in your own skin.
Wow. So there you have it. If you're a business you want to be featured, next comment down below. And if you want a part 2, maybe, no, may mga personal ka mga questions ka na, Doc, hindi, joke lang. You could also comment down below. And again, sa inyo, you don't have to go to Manila, to Cebu, anywhere else. We have already here Cassandra Aesthetics, here only located at
General Luna Street.
Iloilo City. So there you have. Last question for the both of you. If given a chance, let's go back many years back, no? Sang wala ka mo di pa ka mo make pa ka mo sang decision to become a doctor. Nag-regret ka mo nga naging doctor ka mo?
Yes. Yes, because the road to being a doctor is very hard.
Nag-regret kami.
Oo, nag-regret kami kay
The process is so long.
Yes. But
Worth
everything
it.
is worth it, man. So everyone just sees all the good things, pero nobody sees the struggles that we had before,
Yes.
man.
So, dira ninyo makita, if you are gonna go here sa Cassandra Amonica, very, kung saan approachable, very, dobrakada nyo lang sina Doc. No? So, kanto na kamo dire. Thank you very much, Doc Tony.
Thank you.
Doc Kim, salamat kid. See you everybody on our next vlog. God bless.